General trend. CORZ has been a rocket ship over the last 3 months, rocketing from $8.31 on April 25th to a high of $18 on July 3rd, closing at $13.655 on July 24th. Despite a recent pullback from its July peak, it's trading above its 200-day EMA, $12.316, confirming a strong bullish trend. The 64.3% gain from April 30's low of $8.10 reflects robust momentum, likely driven by crypto mining optimism and Bitcoin's rally, though recent consolidation suggests profit-taking. Price-volume relationship. Volume spikes align with major price moves. The July 7th high of $15.95 saw a staggering 107.71 million shares, dwarfing the average volume of 17.8 million. The June 26 surge to $16.36 had 91.95 million shares, and June 4's $12.56 close saw 17.64 million shares, indicating strong buying pressure. The July 24th close at $13.655 with 6.43 million shares, below average, signals consolidation. High volume days, e.g., 44.23 million on July 8th, confirm accumulation during upswings. Moving averages. Here's the moving average breakdown. Short term, the 5-day SMA, $13.448, and EMA, $13.535, are close to the July 24th close, $13.655, suggesting short-term stability. The 10-day SMA, $13.446, and EMA, $13.645, align similarly. Medium term, the 20-day SMA, $14.640, and EMA, $13.688, are above the price, acting as resistance. The 21-day SMA, $14.529, and EMA, $13.670, reinforce this. Long term, the 50-day SMA, $13.756, and EMA, $13.573, are near the price, supporting bullishness. The 200-day SMA, $12.737, and EMA, $12.316, confirm a solid long-term uptrend. Technical indicators. Let's unpack the indicators. Trend indicators. MACD. At 0.146, signal 0.372, histogram -0.226, it's bearish, indicating short-term weakness. ADX14. At 18.94, it shows a weakening trend, suggesting consolidation. AREN up 44.0 versus AREN down 12.0 gives an oscillator of -35.714, favoring bears short-term. PSAR. At $15.560, above the price, it signals bearish pressure. Momentum indicators. RSI 14. At 51.218, it's neutral, indicating no overbought or oversold conditions. Stochastic. Stock K15, 17.772, and D15, 22.367, are low, while Stock K5, 65.590, and D5, 49.382, suggest a short-term bounce. Williams percent R14. At -65.014, it's neutral to oversold, hinting at potential upside. MFI 14. At 18.854, it shows weak buying pressure, aligning with consolidation. Momentum 10. At 0.474, it reflects modest upward momentum. ROC 14. At -24.138, it indicates a recent downtrend. Volume indicators. OBV. At 177.29 million, it's flat, suggesting reduced buying interest. Chaikin oscillator. At -4.917 million, it shows selling pressure. Volatility indicators. ATR 14. At 0.880, it reflects moderate volatility, down from 1.224 on July 8th. Bollinger Bands. Upper, $18.078. Middle, $14.640. Lower, $11.202. The price is near the middle, indicating consolidation. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF, $13.303, is below the July 24th close, $13.655, suggesting CORZ is slightly above its short-term trend line. The Coral 20 at 1.0 shows strong trend consistency, but recent data points to consolidation. Estimated opening price for next trading day. With a July 24th close of $13.655 and an average opening price over the last 5 days around $13.560, the ATR of 0.880 suggests a July 25th opening between $12.775 and $14.535, likely near $13.60, assuming no major crypto news. Low volume, 6.43 million, on July 24th supports a stable open. Support and resistance levels. Support, $13.573, 50-day EMA, $11.202, Bollinger Lower, and $12.316, 200-day EMA, are key floors. Resistance, $14.640, 20-day SMA, $15.560, PSAR, and $18.078, Bollinger Upper, are hurdles. Breaking $14.640 could target $15.95. Potential high and low levels, ATR based. Using the 14-day ATR of 0.880. High, $13.655 plus 0.880 equals $14.535. Low, $13.655, 0.880 equals $12.775 given the July 7th range of 2.30. A broader range of $12.50 to $15 is possible if volatility spikes, especially with crypto sensitivity. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. Breaking above $14.640 with volume above 17.8 million could push CORZ to $15.95 or $18. RSI, 51.218, and stock K5, 65.590, support a potential bounce. Neutral scenario. Consolidation between $12.775 and $14.535, ATR range, with ADX, 18.94, indicating a weak trend. Bearish scenario. A drop below $13.573, 50-day EMA, could test $11.202, Bollinger Lower, especially if OBV, 177.29 million, declines or MFI, 18.854, weakens further. Conclusion. CORZ has cooled off from its July 3rd peak of $18, closing at $13.655 on July 24th with low volume, 6.43 million, just above its 50-day EMA, $13.573. The MACD, minus 0.226 histogram, and ADX, 18.94, signal consolidation, while RSI, 51.218, and stock K5, 65.590, hint at a potential bounce. Volatility, ATR 0.880, reflects crypto-driven swings, with the April 30th low, $8.10, showing risk. Watch $13.573 support and $14.640 resistance. Traders, play the $12.775 to $14.535 range, and keep an eye on Bitcoin moves or earnings catalysts.
Lätt stacktosesats.